Markets in at 3 minutes. Important update for this week. Equity side of things had moved to the downside. We saw that the Nasdaq and the S&P 500's pressure might renew momentum, and that is also causing an impact on the German DAX. That index had started to depreciate. We have now gone below this 50 moving average, and that means that potentially a further slide in this market might be expected this week. And further downside motivation in this case might also cause the market momentum to continue its slide. We saw that recently the market's turnaround here, basically all we done to the upside in the end of last year had now been neglected, and the market pressing down below this 20,000 level might indicate that further pressure might continue in this market. Further slide in market motivation might also cause further pressure on the oil market if the demand remains weak. And guys, we have the earnings season from the US starting with the banks basically, I think it was this week, end of this week, and that might act as further pressurizing motivation here. The oil market had left this recent supportive trend, and now the market momentum causing a further slide in the oil price. Here the 67.80 area had been broken. We as traders, and by the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss any of those important updates. We have now kind of pushed towards the 57 below the psychological 60 US dollar range, and that might indicate that a further slide in market motivation is around the corner. This entire charting area here has been uncharted terrain for quite a while here. That was COVID times. For the ones of you remembering this, oil turned futures contracts negative for a short period of time, so downside momentum might actually increase, and the pressure in this market might actually add further burden to market sentiment in general. No call is completed without a currency pair. Today we picked the pound US dollar. The pound US dollar had as well kind of dumped below the, or dive below the 50 moving average. Now the market is finding some sort of recovery phase. Based on this long-term chart here, the weekly chart, we observe we have a very strong technical pin bar candlestick pattern. That's the one. Market once up, once again the same period of time to the downside, telling us that further pressure might be on the cards here. And now with that, basically kind of we could be on track towards further market motivation. I sold a naked an option, not unaddressed, but I sold a naked option to the downside, basically expecting the market moving lower. I sold a call strike as 130, so slightly in the money when I was kind of in that position, but now the market's rolling to lower levels. Stay tuned. See you then. Take care everyone, and have a happy day trading, and follow us here. See you then. Bye.